Bella, go!
Bella!
We're on the trail. We're on the easy trail.
Bella! I'm coming for you. I'm coming! Oh! Careful! Run quick so I can't get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm coming for you. Did you get your face painted?
Uh-huh.
And she put some glitter on it. So nice.
I still remember this trail. I've only done this so many times.
Look at you. Let's go.
Let's go. Come on.
Let me get you.
Look, when I do this, watch. When I do this, it turns green. Oh, when I do it for a while.
Bella's got us running. She's running.
I'm coming. I got you.
I don't take the picture anymore. I just did already.
I'm not doing a picture. I'm doing a video. Ooh. Trail. It's a trail. Trail. Trail.
It says haunted trail.
No, it's supposed to say nature trail.
Bella, wait for us.
Hey! Wait up!
Crazy girl. Look at these apples. Yummy.
Come on, Pocahontas.
Pocahontas. She doesn't. She looks like Tangled because the thing was supposed to be Tangled. So, this is so beautiful. Apple Hill. There's some apples right here. Apples right here. Apple Hill. Apple Hill.
Apple.
Apple Hill.
Apple here.
Let's go. Oh, that's why this thing is here. There's an electric fence. Oh, that's why. Oh, shoot. Run. Run. Beautiful. It's beautiful. Beautiful. You're running for me? You're running again. Again? Okay, fine. I won't show you anymore. Okay. Let's go. Ooh, that's pretty down there. That's really pretty. She's camera shy. She doesn't like it. Ooh, there's apples right here. I thought these were plums at first, but they're not.
They're so good. Look how many are wasted though.
Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, right? She's running. She's literally running from us. Are you kidding me?
I don't have room.
Oh my god. Come back here. You're fine, Belle. I was just joking.
No one's going anywhere. I couldn't pull you.
I'm gonna chase you, okay? Duh! I'm coming. Oh, I'm tired now. I'm really tired. Oh no. What happened? What happened? What happened? Let me see. Oh. Come on. Oh, now you're gonna run again. Really? You're gonna run again? What the heck? You're in the sun. There's so much sun. Okay, there we go.
What? No, we're gonna go this way.
No, we're turning around. We're going this way.
So we know where we're going. Come on.
You're climbing?
have to go all the way up that?
Oh, whoa, what is this?
What the heck?
What is this? What is this? What is this?
There's another apple orchard that way.
Ooh, that's cool. Ooh, my legs hurt.
I'm tricked into going that way.
Okay. Oh, nature trail. That way and up here. What is that? Oh, I wonder what that is, huh? Get a close zoom on that. Looks like a cake. Chocolate cake. Come on, Belle. We're going this way. We're going up.
We're going around. We get to run.
Oh, this is pretty. Oh, wow. It's really sunny, though.
Look, babe. We get to run.
Okay, now we're going back. Because my sister doesn't want to go in the sun. Let's go. Okay, let's go. We're starting over. We're going all the way back now.
Stay away from the edge. Why don't you always go to the edge?
I know, right?
Goodness, I just seen her rolling down that hill.
My hair looks so much different like this.
You know what's happening. It's working.
Where did Auntie Tila go?
They were up there waiting.
Oh. We like lost our whole crew.
Want to race her?
Okay, let's go. Wait, hold on. I have
Too fast?
dirt on me. I'm gonna catch you. Stop. You okay? What the heck? Really? You're gonna fall.
Bella!
You're gonna fall. Come on, let's go. She said, no, this is not a hill.
Like the other one.
Oh my God. She's off again. She's off again. Did you fall? Did you fall? Wow. She took off. Oh my gosh. Bella, come back. Come back. Okay. I'm coming for you. Oh, shoot. I'm coming. Let's go. Come back over here. Come back. Oh, she stopped and then literally starts running again. Okay, what happened now? She thinks I'm taking a picture.
In your video.
Yeah.
Video taking.
Run! Now she's running. Oh my God. Oh my God. Come on, really? Nature trail, fail. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my God. It's so pretty. Ooh, look at that car. It's so shiny. Oh, she's all the way down there. Really? Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming for you. Oh, where is he? Oh. Slow down. Shoot. What is this? There's like something in there. I don't know what's in there. What is that? Okay, don't touch it. Let's just go. Okay, come on. Now I have this mark. It's like these little things. I don't know what it is. Oh, bye.
Nobody's racing.
Off into the hills. Off into the Apple Hills. These trees are so nice.
Face painting.
We're in the sun. We're in the sun. 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 We're in the sun. Where is she? Oh, wow. She's all the way over there. We have to catch up to her. Oh, my God. There she goes. Okay. I'm going to have to catch up to her. Oh, she attacked her. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Bye.